Hi everyone, we have our chain rule part 1. Now if you're coming across this video for the first time, this is part 1 of season 2. In season 1 we have part 1 to 5 where we use first principle to derive product rule, quotient rule. We talked about Pascal triangle and all. But in this season 2, all those derivation will be applying it. So application of chain rule in solving this problem is what we are focusing on today. Now we have y equal to 4x plus 5 raised to power 3. Now if you look at this equation, it's a function of another function. So another name for chain rule, we call it function of a function. So when you have this, the formula for dy dx, when you have a function of another function, which is chain rule, is dy du multiplied by du dx. Now, if you look at this, if you cover the u du now, if you cover it up, you have the y dx, which is equal to, so it's very easy to recall dy du dx. So you can recall it always when you have a function like this. Now the first thing you need to say is to let u equal to this, what you have in there, 4s plus 5. Now you now differentiate u with respect to x. Now there's a method called the general rule. That's what we'll be applying in this season 2. So let me just introduce what the general is. If you have y to be equal to x raised to power n, and you want to differentiate y with respect to x, so it means the power, which is n, multiplied by the coefficient of x, which is 1, so n times 1. Then you minus 1 from the power. This is what we call a general rule. This is applicable to solve a differentiation, and this is what we are going to be using in application of those derivation we have in season 1. Now if you understand this, now we can use it here. So discover that the power of x is 1. So 1 times 4, that's 4, x minus 1 minus 1. So you know 1 minus 1, that's going to give you 0. And